Hello! For my birthday this year, I am giving away an entirely free course on wedding photography. The course is 5 days long. It really is a crazy offer. It also includes a lot of free stuff. My actual pricing template, you can download it, you can modify it, you can use it. 3 of my Lightroom presets, photography checklist for the wedding day. And as soon as you sign up, maybe the biggest bonus of all, you'll have instant access to all of my email templates, completely free, just straight to you. The only catch is that you have to sign up before my birthday, which is July 14th. And this really is $0. Now, you might be saying to yourself, this is a hard year for wedding photography, and you're absolutely right. 2020 is going to be the worst year for wedding photographers. But next year, 2021, there are going to be double the number of weddings happening. It is going to be by far the busiest wedding year in the industry ever. I am already seeing this in my inbox. After 3 months of very few inquiries, it picked up last week, and I'm seeing much higher than usual inquiry volume. That means something like 5 to 7 inquiries every single day. Most years I photograph 60 plus weddings every single year, and 2021 it looks like I'm going to be doing even more than that. If you want to get ahead and take advantage of the best year ever for wedding photography, you just have to sign up by my birthday, which is July 14th. Sign up now and instantly get access to all of my email templates for wedding photographers in your inbox. Then starting on July 14th, the course will be released, and you'll get all 5 days of videos plus my pricing template, day of photo checklist, and 3 of my Lightroom presets. Nothing like this has ever existed before in the wedding photography industry, and I truly hope that you find it valuable. So happy birthday to you. Happy my birthday to you.